last stop for today, Milo. You did amazing work out there.
We make a great team, partner. Rest up for tomorrow.
Ready for the big harvest, Milo? Look at those beauties, Milo. They are almost ready. Great job, Milo. That makes it much easier. Nearly there. Just one more load to the sorting table.
You earned this, partner. Best helper in the orchard.
Looks like the wind was busy last night, Milo. Let us clear the path.
What did you find there, little explorer?
One, two, and up! Perfect teamwork, Milo. Let us get this weighed before the midday sun gets too hot. You never stop, do you? Even after all that work. You are right, Milo. Let us finish what we started. Back to the field, Milo. We still have a few rows to check. The nets are tight. If one falls, it is safe. Another big one, Milo. Help me slide the plank. It is a hot one today, isn't it?
Easy does it, Milo. Slow and steady.
We did it! That is the last of them for today. Ooh.
Let's finish the inventory before it gets too dark, Milo.
Careful now. That is not a hat, Milo. Everything looks good on my end. How about you?
One last treat for the hardest working monkey in Thailand. See you tomorrow, Orchard.
Early start today, Milo. The mist will keep us cool while we work.
Look at these, Milo. They are perfect. Help me with the crate.
Great lift. That is the first one for the day. There are still more trees on the upper slope. Let us go. Nice catch, Milo. You saw it coming.